At DS Smith, our retail print and display businesses deliver better campaigns. That's because we design everything. We manufacture everything in our own factories with the most talented people. Most of all, we care about the job from the beginning to the end.
We print in all mediums: screen, litho, flexo and digital, all large format, from a number of plants across Europe.
We have a screen print press which now is one of the biggest in the country, certainly the only one in the UK, the third in Europe and only the fifth in the world.
It's quite nice to know that you've got people up the top that are quite keen to invest within the business here and to help us develop in the way that we want to.
We've had a number of new clients come on board lately that are really taking advantage of all those bits of kit that we can now make things faster, quicker, bigger.
But certainly the quality of work that we produce here is the best in the country.
Which is where we want to be, really.
One of the good things that we're quite good at doing here is if we say we're going to do something, we do it. And in a nice, friendly manner as well, that people like to work with you.
Which means that the customer will really get what they ask for.
People enjoy working with the team because of our enthusiasm, because we're interested, because we give something a little bit different.
And we're not just talking grocery, we're also talking cash and carry, high street convenience.
When you walk around the business, the obvious things you see in terms of investment are all the heavy metal that's lying around. What you don't see is the very extensive investment in this business in digital workflows for artwork, management information systems to improve control of work going through the factory, and staff training. I mean, one thing we focus on here absolutely is whatever the client wants, he gets.
And they're looking for things that are slightly different, not the same as there's been before, basically.
We are a really tight team. I think that comes across to people. We also have grown up and put across absolute honesty in terms of the way that we deal and the way that we promote the business.
Clients that are more probably on the cosmetic side tend to use litho print because you have model shots and you get a better quality of print for people and flesh tones and all that sort of thing.
And it's offset litho, large format.
The Gotfa is a new generation rotary die cutter. It's a very accurate post printer with a rotary die cutter already attached to the end. It is a forward looking company. It's looking forward to think what it can invest in next, where it can move to.
In January we took the very bold step of investing over £100 million refurbishing a paper mill in Kemsley. It's a perfect investment for DS Smith because it contributes to the integrated loop that is our recycling effort in the UK. Now we collect waste paper from councils and from retailers and we turn it back into high quality recycled paper, sometimes within 2 weeks of making the original promotional material.
And that's where DS Smith have a unique offering. We call it cradle to cradle.
Scale is important, and as part of DS Smith, not only are we here today, but we will be here tomorrow.